Hi guys, it's me, R.O. And food review again. Food review. Pumili ako sa Wmart. Wmart, ano siya, parang Chinese, Asian grocery. Ito. Look. It's a crab. Anong tawag dito sa atin? Talangka.
I like crab.
You like crab? But this one is spicy.
I like crab.
Yeah, but it's a pika.
I like crab.
So yeah, let's try it, guys.
Let's try it.
Let's try it.
Mommy, let's try it.
Okay, let's try it. So,
Like that.
malansa. Malansa ang amoy. Na,
Mama.
parang yung fish na dried fish din. So, look. Guys,
No.
it's a small, very small crab. Let me try first. Sabi nung cashier, medyo konting anghang daw.
Twice.
Ano lutong? Habang malutong lang yung balat niya. Ay! Alam niyo yung nabibiling dilis na prito na may orange? Minsan maanghang, matamis. Ganun yung lasa. But we want to try.
Okay.
Kumuha na siya. Ganun yung lasa niya. Ang gilis. Hindi binabenta sa labas na may makasama minsan mali, ganun. Naman siya. Sorry. Malutong siya. Masarap. Di ba pag kumain tayong dilis, yung nakaka-addict. Enough. Yung mga, yung ano pa niya, oh. Kalap ko kumain. Yung kanyang galamay. Safe ba kumain ng balat ng crab?
Crab. Bunnies.
Ano? Panis.
This is crab.
Yes, this is crab. Show them, boo.
This is crab.
That's crab. Yes. Oh, eat it. Ewan ko, hindi naman kakainin yan.
This is crab.
Yes. Enough na. Titong, come. Try it. Titong. And let's see your reaction.
Crab.
Nga, ano, dilis.
Lahat ng dilis, diba? Yung dilis na